Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow blue spirulina. First, gather your essential supplies, including a clean, sterile container and a high-quality blue spirulina starter culture. Next, prepare your growth medium. This involves mixing specific mineral salts and nutrients in distilled water to create the ideal environment for your spirulina to thrive. Ensure the pH is between 8, 5, and 9. 5. Finally, maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius, for optimal initial growth. Once your culture is established, provide it with consistent light. A grow light set for 12 to 16 hours daily works well, or place it in indirect sunlight. Gentle agitation is crucial. Stir your culture once or twice a day to prevent the spirulina from settling and to ensure all cells receive nutrients and light. Continuously monitor the pH, aiming to keep it within the optimal range of 8, 5 to 9. 5. Adjust as needed to support healthy growth and vibrant blue color. You'll know it's time to harvest when your culture looks dense and has a deep, vibrant blue color. This usually happens after about 1 to 2 weeks of good growth. To harvest, carefully pour the culture through a fine mesh cloth, like cheesecloth, to separate the spirulina biomass from the liquid growth medium. Gently rinse the collected spirulina with clean, filtered water to remove any residual growth solution. This ensures a pure and high-quality product. After harvesting, replenish your culture by adding fresh growth medium to the remaining spirulina. This allows for continuous production. Store your freshly harvested blue spirulina in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for several days. For longer storage, you can dehydrate it into a powder. Remember to check the description for links to the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener and other great deals to keep your car smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.